Will gas engines really disappear, or is the internal combustion engine about to make a comeback no one saw coming? Today we are breaking down whether ICE engines will survive in an electric world. With governments pushing EVs and automakers betting billions, many people think gasoline engines are done. The truth is more complex. Let's look at what's really happening and why the future of cars might not be what everyone expects. For years, we have heard the same message. Electric cars will replace gas engines completely. They are cleaner, quieter, and cheaper to maintain. That part is true. EV technology is advancing fast. However, the road to a full electric future is not smooth. First, charging infrastructure is not ready, especially in cold weather countries. Batteries lose range in winter, charging slows down, and many homeowners don't even have a driveway for home charging. That makes daily life tough for a lot of people. Second, battery cost and raw materials remain a big challenge. Lithium, nickel, and cobalt supply is limited, and prices fluctuate. That means EVs will stay expensive for a while. Third, hybrids are getting better. Modern hybrid systems squeeze incredible efficiency from gasoline. Toyota, Honda, and others are proving that hybrid powertrains offer the best balance for now. Then there are synthetic and biofuels. Companies like Porsche and Toyota are investing heavily in clean fuels that can power existing engines with drastically lower emissions. If these scale up, ICE engines get a second life. Also think about trucks, rural areas, and high-performance cars. Many of these categories still rely on gasoline power. EVs are improving, but the shift will take decades, not years. So will ICE engines survive? Yes. They will evolve, they will shrink, they will become cleaner, but they will not vanish. The real future looks like a mix: hybrids, EVs, hydrogen, and advanced gasoline tech working together. The key is adaptability. The world is not going from gas to electric overnight. So the internal combustion engine isn't dying, it is transforming. Stay updated, stay skilled, and you will be ready for whatever the automotive future brings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you prefer EV, hybrid, or gasoline, and why?